Budao, a local villager, has agreed to take Satoshi to a place where he's discovered one of the most extraordinary insects in the rainforest. They gather on a giant leguminous sriracha tree called klat by the locals. They sometimes hide beneath the leaves, but their camouflage is so good that it can be difficult to spot them even when they're sitting on a leaf surface. Even local people take a while to find them, as they're almost identical to the leaves in color and texture. It's really hard to find these insects. I'm sure they're here, but I can't see them. At last, I found one. It was so beautifully camouflaged, it looks exactly like a leaf. This is probably one of the greatest mimics of all, the walking leaf insect, Phyllium pulchrifolium. Its underside even imitates the leaf surface in every detail, such as patches of mildew, blemishes, and even the pattern of veins. I have wanted to see this insect for a long time. Budo has found some immature leaf insects, which are disguised just as well as their parents. Even the eggs of leaf insects resemble tiny plant seeds. Reproduction is extremely slow. Some leaf insect nymphs take several months to reach adulthood. Leaf insects often hang motionless from the underside of a leaf for days at a time. This is Satoshi's unique view of the leaf insect using a specially designed lens. Females can't fly and rely entirely on camouflage for their protection from birds. Satoshi is excited that at last he has found one of the insects of the Malaysian rainforest that has fascinated him for years.